do
There are
every
three things
day
we are going to look
that
at today,
you know
and
you
today
don't
lesson
notify its
is important
result in the body
as
or
human being,
on
living
our
being.
body.
If you couldn't
Thus,
perform
we
these three
classify
things,
those things
means
as
that you are
three
dead body.
things in
So
group. So
quickly we
group
are
one
going to
is
run through
stretching.
by saying
Group one stretching.
these
Second
three things
is
and
sneezing.
their importance, or what they can
Third,
help human body
yawing.
or your body to
So
do,
its
or
importance and
human life. Let's start by saying sneezing.
8 steps.
There are three things.
So
sneezing and
first one, stretching,
and
it's
yawing.
important. It helps
So
your
these three things
muscle to
we are going to
relax.
take sneezing first.
Importance
so what
of
is important
stretching
of
help your
sneezing
muscles
in
to
human life?
relax.
Let's
Second
begin
point is
saying
also
that
help in circulation of blood
sneeze
to the
protect
heart.
the body
It helps
by splitting
widen
out bacteria
flexibility
and virus
of
to
your
keep
body.
the body healthy.
It also reduces pain in the
know
body.
that sneezing,
It
what is
reduces
important,
stress
what
and tension
it does
in your
for the
muscles.
body.
It
So
also
it
enhances
the body
your
healthy.
mood during the day.
Also, it cleans
It
out
helps you to
the
burn
bacteria
cholesterol
or
at fast
the
rate.
dust
It
particles
allows you
in which you
your
heal into
entire
your body.
body lose
It blow
weight
out
better.
those things.
That's
And
the
from
importance
almost
of
more
stretching
sneeze also, some people
and addiction.
believe that sneezing is
Stretching before bed
it's a blessing.
relax
If
your muscles
anyone
and help
sneeze,
prevent you
it's blessing for them.
from
And
waking
some
up
tradition
with
or
more pain.
some beliefs,
So
sneezing is
second point,
blessing for them.
without wasting time,
Because
yawing
they said
is caused
you've blown
by
out
not getting enough
what
sleeping. Sometimes caused when
dirty
you
things
need
out.
food
So
or
it's blessing. So
you lack
sneezing
sleeping.
is very
But the
good
most important of
for
yawing is that
those who
it
are
heals the body from weakness.
stroke patient.
Anytime
Stroke patients,
you
sneezing is good for them.
you take it
Research
as you are
stated.
healing your body from
So if anyone
diseases.
having
Do not
stroke
do it in
or
public.
you are not having stroke, you can
Note:
sneeze.
yawing
As
also
much
increases
as
blood
possible.
flow to the
Do
brain.
not cover it.
And third point, but
you
not the
can cover
last,
it when you are in
per
public,
research
but
say
in your
sneezing,
secret way,
the
in your
importance
room,
of
when you are
sneezing also,
leave it to blow
which
out
people
the
do
dirty
and
things.
they don't
It's form
know
of blessing for some religions.
its benefit.
And the
Sneezing,
second part
it
we are
protects
going
your
to talk
body
about
by
also is
cleaning,
yawing.
out
Everybody
bacteria
yaw.
and
You can
virus. It also improves health
that's it.
body
So
system
it's
for you.
matter of
It
yawing.
cleans
So
your body from
yawing
dirt,
and
pollen
let's
and
say
smoke, and
what
many
causes
more,
yawing.
etc. etc.
Yawing, something
In
causes
addition,
yawing.
some people believe that
Inadequate
sneezing
sleep
is part of
or
blessing.
tiredness, or
When you
the
sneeze,
person is
you are blessed
angry, which is
because
he or she
you
need
blow
food
out
to eat.
dirty things.
So also can
Some
cause
says
yawing.
it cleans your system.
And
Also,
second part is
note:
this happen when you
sneezing
feel
is very good
sleepy.
for
Also
stroke patients.
put
Advice
most
to those
important
who are not
of
sneezing at all
yawing
to
is
take
that
it. This is
the most
3
important
things
of
we do
yawing is
daily
that it
that
heals the
bring
body from weakness.
a
Anytime
good result for
you
our own health
yaw
without
or
our
yawing,
notice. So keep tuned and
keep
subscribe to
your
the
body
YouTube channel
healing
and make it
and protect you
wow
from diseases.
for another day. Thank you very much
But
for watching.
yawing, how do we do this? You don't yaw in public. Either cover your mouth or do something to protect the air you are blowing out from you, not to transfer virus to someone. So yawing also increase flow of blood into the brain. When one yawing or when one yaw, it's improve circulation of blood into the brain. So when flow of blood circulate or flow of blood in a brain, it help one brain work fast and active in terms of this yawing. So we will come to stretching like this. You stretch your body. It's maybe either it may be either voluntary or involuntary. Your way may be either voluntary or involuntary. So we hereby say it's either the voluntary one is not what we are talking about, viewers. It's not what we are talking about. But then the involuntary one, when you are there and you feel like stretching, and it's important. Let's go. It helps the muscle to relax. Number one, yawing help the muscle to relax. Number two, it also helps in circulation of blood to the heart. It also helps circulation of blood to the heart. So stretching also reduce heart diseases, as per studies say, or anything research about stretching. I'm not talking of this training one. So point two also, we can know or notify, the viewers can notify and see that circulation of blood to the heart is very good for every human being. And number three, it helps in flexibility. Stretching help in flexibility. So as you can see, when you stretch, it helps you to be flexible. So the one who are rigid, body rigid, they lack stretching. Like stretching after from bed, you stretch. From before bed, you stretch, and it reduce pain in the body. It reduce pain. Stretching also reduce pain. It reduce stress and tension in muscles. Stress reduce tension and stress in muscles. It also enhance your mood. It also enhance your mood. So as you wake up in morning to do something or to go to work, to go to anywhere, when you stretch, it improves your mood. It doesn't let you feel the tension during the day. And another step is that it's also help you to burn cholesterol at fast rate. This to say, saying some people believe waking up with pain is caused by something else, but it's not so. But when you lack stress. So viewers, without wasting much time of your time, I'm going to end it here. Another day. Make sure you subscribe and share and like and comment for the people to see, or other people, your colleague or anyone. Thank you for watching me. Goodbye.